Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Alex and this is Alex Dynamic YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be putting you through how to change your PHP version in both your hPanel, which is owned by Hostinger, and cPanel, which is owned by virtually most of the hosting company out there, but mainly Namecheap in my own case right now. So I'll be showing you how to change your PHP version because many people don't really know how to do this, especially if you are installing a script or that. You might need to be able to change your PHP version to able to read the PHP, the script composer in a way that you need to. So some scripts actually work with 7.4 while some work with 8.1 upwards. So you need to be able to know how to change your PHP version. So in this video, I will show you how you can change it both on Hostinger, hPanel, and Namecheap, cPanel, and any cPanel out there. So I must tell you, Namecheap doesn't have multi-selector PHP version, but Hostinger does. So some other cPanel hosting provider might have multiple selector for PHP version, but with API, with understanding of Hostinger, that shouldn't be an issue for you. So let's quickly jump on it. So there's a way you can go for it. You can easily search for it right here. It's usually around here. So on PHP version, I think is up right there. Sorry. I think yeah, it's right here. So it's one of the tools. So you can easily click on it and you're right here. So you are inside your PHP selector. We'll let it load finish, please. All right. As you can see, currently we are on 8.1 version, which is what I'm using for every website that is currently on this. But let's say you have a program running on your system that requires you to use 7.4 versions. That requires you to use 7.4 version. So it might just it just hit right here and you can see all the versions. So most of these are obsolete. So 7.4 down to the current version are the one used, but 8.1 is the most used. 8.2, 8.3 they are just on above, but 8.1 is mostly recommended and 7.4. So you can switch to 7.4, and if you're okay, all you just need to do is hit apply. And once you apply, your PHP version is selected. Alright, as you can see, the 7.4 version is selected and it's already indicated that this is our current PHP version. So that's just how you do that. So so now let's move to the Hostinger on. So this is my Hostinger dashboard. Hostinger doesn't use cPanel, they use hPanel. So everything that you need to do about management of your websites, everything you have to do it in your hPanel. So for you to locate your PHP version selector, it might be a little bit technical, but it's not that difficult. So with Hostinger, this is your home page on Hostinger. It will show you all the sites you have there. So you can easily just come to your website list on Hostinger. So once you come there, so you locate the websites you actually want to change your PHP version for. Like I said earlier, Hostinger has multiple PHP selectors. So each website can be using different version of PHP version composer. So you have to select for the particular website or particular domain that you have on your Hostinger account or hosting. So now let's look at which one we are going to be using. So let's use for this is the beta quest. So we just come here to dashboard. So once you come to dashboard, so everything that you want to do about this website is can be done here in the dashboard. But let's don't. So I will still make another video to explain how Hostinger hPanel works. In case you need any, in case you want video like that, kindly drop me a comment and I'll be happy to do the video for you. But right now, so if you want to locate the PHP version, you come down here and you come to advanced. So once you come to advanced, you can come here, you can see PHP configuration. As you can see, you click on PHP configuration and yeah, you see these are the list of PHP version you can use. You can change it to 7.4, you can change it to 8.1, and you can change it to 8.2. But since I'm using WordPress on this particular site, it's using 8.2 PHP because the new WordPress is using the updated WordPress version that require 8.2 PHP version. That is how you change the Okay, so you can just change it to 7.4 and update. So if I want to, I'll just hit confirm, but I don't want to change it. Like I said, I'm using WordPress and the site is not going to load with 7.4 PHP version. So I have to keep it here or just leave. So anyway, that's the end of the tutorial. So if you have any question, kindly drop a comment and don't hesitate to like and follow us so that it can motivate us to do more video like this. And thank you for watching and really appreciate you. Bye.